automatically change the images without having to upload them. So let's say you want a different photo of for this slide, you can actually type in like Eternal Sunshine movie poster, and it'll scrape Pinterest. You can then click a different image that you want, and then that's actually the same image. I don't know why I clicked that one or this one. So it's super easy to basically search online, get images, add them to your slideshows immediately without having to upload any images, as well as the auto images. So what this does is it's really good for any slideshows that need accurate images of real places, public figures, etc. So let's say I want to do a slide about the top 5 fastest NFL yard dashes. Obviously, you want real photos of these people to be correlated with it. So when I add a prompt like this and I use auto images from Pinterest and I click generate, what it's going to do is automatically source those people for each slide. So it creates the list of the top 5 people, gets the information, and then actually adds those people as the images, if that makes sense. And if it's incorrect, you can also fix it using that other feature that I just showed you, where you can search online and add real images without having to upload anything. So let's see, this says top 5. So this is, you can't really see what's going on right here, but we can actually change it by typing like NFL stadium. Or we can actually do like football player running. That might be easier. Football player running. You can search that. And then, like this one right here. Fastest NFL yard dashes, John Ross. I don't know if that's actually him, but we can look up John Ross NFL. And then this is probably, I don't know who it is, honestly, but if you know about this sport, you can probably figure out who it is. I'll just click this one. Barnes. You get the idea, right? Probably this person, but it gives you a bunch of information. Now let's say there's another feature actually added, which allows you to actually add an overlay on top of the images. So you can actually read the text, which is super, super helpful. But now you get the idea. So let's say we want a different prompt, different thing. Oh, why is it cut off like that? Like top 5 Italian restaurants in the Lower East Side. Right here, doing the same thing, auto images from Pinterest. Now, when you do auto images from Pinterest, it actually takes a bit more time because it actually has to source those photos instead of randomly selecting it from an image collection. So that's why when you click generate slideshow, it might honestly even time out. I'm going to increase that limit before it's deployed, but it's just an example of what's going on. But yeah, it does take a little bit of time for you to generate the slideshow when you are auto sourcing the images from Pinterest. Cool. I like this image right here. Saggio, don't know what that is, but it creates, like, oh my god, we went here last night, best pasta ever. Don't know this place, but you can just assume it's the right thing. Fabio's again. Oh, yeah, actually, no, it's not the same one. Perfect, but you get the idea, and it sources everything for you, which is super, super nice. So this was automatically created with AI. I don't know another tool that's doing it better, honestly, not to be, I shouldn't say that actually, but, if you want a different, style thing, you can actually say, or different slideshow. I know I'm kind of speeding through this, but it says, I want 10 slides. Actually, let's do 6 slides of the top 5 strangest disappearances. We can click generate auto images from Pinterest again, and we can see what it generates of us. Like I said, you can, with auto images from Pinterest, it automatically sources all these images, so you don't have to do any uploading or sourcing them yourselves. Like I said, my goal with reelfarm is to get you from 0 to 1, creating slideshows or just automating content as fast as possible. And I think that these 2 features, you can breeze through creating slideshows now. And this is a good thing right here. It's a mystery. The crew of the Mary Celeste. DB Cooper. Like this one has some text on top of it. I don't know what it is, but we can type in Frederick Valentic. Search. I don't know who he is, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, we can do something like, it had to do with image, like a flight or something. So we can do this one. How to make, yeah, I don't like this text on the back, but we can do the Roanoke colony. The Roanoke colony. Oops, I just accidentally just clicked a random image, but you get the idea. We can do this one. Perfect. Now you can, it's super easy to just automatically source images now. And we can change this image right here. Top 5 strangest disappearances ever. Maybe an image of like disappearance. Sorry, there's like a fly all over me. I'm outside. I spelled that wrong, but let's see what it can give us for disappearance. Maybe like, ooh, scary story. No, it's actually story. Oh, maybe you can actually do something here now. Creepy photos for, oh, that's kind of creepy. Yeah. Maybe like this. Oh yeah, that's kind of terrifying, honestly. Top 5 strangest disappearances ever. And this is so super easy for you to just generate slideshows so quick. Like you're seeing how many slideshows I'm creating right now. But yeah, this is just an update video to let you know this is live. Once again, you can auto source images from Pinterest. And like I said, this only really works if you need accurate images. If it's very vague and the image and the text on the screen does not need to correlate with an image that accurately describes it. Like I said, like it can be about motivation, but you don't need, and it says like you need to get rid of your bad habits. You don't need an accurate image for that. So you can just do it in an image collection instead of auto images. But like I said, auto images are great for real places, public figures, where a slideshow really needs something. Why isn't it not showing that? I need to fix that. Oh, maybe because it's not enabled. There we go. Sorry, I'm all over the place, but I hope you understand the video and what is being released. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. It's not a YouTube video. I'm all over the place. Just go check it out.